Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a channel update, kind of life changes video. As the title states, unfortunately, I have been laid off, so I am unemployed right now. So my full-time job of 7 years, I no longer have, which on the plus side, I can focus more on YouTube. I'm not delusional though. I know my channel's not big enough to go full time or anything like that. Um, this isn't a sob story either. I'm going to be looking for a new job. If you want to support me on Patreon or YouTube memberships, that's great, but you don't have to. Like I say, I'm not trying to put this out there to, get as many patrons as I possibly can or anything like that. It's just, it does fall into a channel update, and I want to just kind of let everyone know that I hopefully now can focus on YouTube a little bit more for, a couple weeks at least while I look for a new job. So we'll kind of get that news out of there first and foremost. While I have more time, I have started a Fusion 360 tutorial series. So this series is on Patreon and available to YouTube members. Just the lowest tier, $3 a month, very inexpensive. But I wanted to give back to people who subscribe to me on Patreon, and also there will be a reason for YouTube membership. So there is episode 1 already live. If anyone's interested in Fusion tutorials or anything like that, definitely check them out. Give me some feedback. I definitely want to make some more episodes in that series, and we'll kind of go through building a pretty cool printer hopefully on there. 11,000 subs already, which is really awesome. I thank all the new subscribers. Again, every time this happens, I just can't believe that the channel's grown this fast and is getting this big. I really do appreciate everyone for subscribing, commenting. A lot of really awesome comments and feedback for my projects and things like that. So really appreciated. I have luckily finished Bastion, which is the Rook 180 Mark 1 update. If you haven't checked it out, definitely check out the video on my channel. It's out on Printables now. You can go ahead and build it, have fun, mod it. It's a really cool printer, and big thanks to Canrog for taking the Rook 180 to that Mark 1 level. The design is finished. I don't think there's going to be any more design or updates to that. So check out the Discord channel if you want to start building one of those and modding it and that type of thing. It's a very cool printer, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. It is a very unique printer as well. I don't think there's many or any printers on YouTube that have triple Z that is a printed frame. So definitely check that out if you haven't. I have started updating Panda Mini to its official release, Mark 1 release. It's not going to look like this. I've abandoned this linear rod for X idea. It's going to just have a normal linear rail like the original beta printer did, but I am going to start building the new version on live stream, hopefully this Saturday. If anyone doesn't know, I try to live stream every Saturday, and I try to do, builds and hang out with all of you and chat and just kind of have a fun time. It's super cool. If you haven't checked it out, definitely check out on Saturdays. It's usually around 2:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, which I believe is like 4:30 Eastern Standard Time. That's kind of the time that I get to start doing live streams and stuff like that. So check them out if you haven't. They're very cool. Once Panda Mini is out of beta and I've got a final release out for it, I'm going to start focusing on my Panda printer, which is, my larger flying gantry 250 build. The beta is already pretty decent. It prints very well. I do want to make some things better and kind of fine tune it and make it just a bit better overall. So look out for videos coming on that. I don't think I've actually put out a full video on it yet. I have a YouTube short and I've done a live stream, 2 live streams on that printer as well. But there will be some YouTube videos coming out on that as well for sure. I am then going to hopefully work on my mini Delta. So I do want to make a small Delta printer, you know, something that can sit on your desk. Just very cool printer for beginners to build. So I'm very excited to hopefully put some time into that now that I have more time. So a mini Delta will be coming hopefully sooner than what it would normally have been. So that's pretty neat. So those are kind of like the main projects to look out for right away. Like I say, Panda Mini, my Panda build, and also my Mini Delta. I will note that I am going to be changing the name of these 2 printers, Panda and Panda Mini. I just don't want confusion with Big Tree Tech's line of products, which are called Panda. So I'm just going to a simpler naming convention, just RC150 and RC250 is what the printers are going to be called. So RC150 and then the bigger brother RC250. And they are going to share some of the design ideas, like maybe the motor mounts and things like that. But I do think RC250 is going to stay flying gantry and RC150 will stay fixed gantry. I'm kind of liking both iterations, but I can take ideas from both. But like I say, they're both beta printers and a lot of stuff can change. So note that. I was going to make this flying gantry at one time. I'm keeping it fixed gantry now. But like I say, its bigger brother, the Panda, or what I'm calling now RC250, is flying gantry, and I'm pretty happy with that so far. So yeah, I just want to keep this really short. Thank you everyone for supporting me on Patreon, supporting me on YouTube, liking, sharing, subscribing. All the positive comments are great. Stay tuned for, you know, hopefully more frequent YouTube videos, at least for the next month or so while I'm looking for a job. And I'll be more active on Discord now, and I'm hopefully going to be posting more on Patreon and things like that. So thanks again, everyone, and I'll catch you all in the next video.